21. Yes, Vlogmas Day 21. There's not going to be a long video today because, well, I'll show you why. We have this going on right now. Say hi, Linda.
Hi.
Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
And as you see by the TV, it's 11:05 at night. So we're just gonna do a little bit on the video here and show you what's happening because we have Christmas tomorrow at our granny's house. And so we're getting ready and I'm passing over to Linda.
She's been doing the whole time we've been making cookies. She's even like got up on my lap. Well, not my lap. She's like put her paws up on me.
Taking me.
She's hoping for a friend.
Anyways,
Cannot have icing. So these are these cookies. We're waiting for the white, and then I did a bunch of sauce like that.
They cannot have icing.
Show your nails, Mommy. I did nails at my school, and I did Laura's nails. That's the other video. Show your nails again. You did it really fast. Thanks. And I get my nails done by my friends, and they match.
I didn't do the right one.
Yeah. See, those sparkles are my favorite. And then when I'm showing Mommy icing.
How many cookies do you want left?
I'm gonna do at least 2. Actually 4. Anyways, I'm gonna show why Mommy's decorating this so I can talk because I look a mess. Not really, but
A hot mess, she said.
hot mess. Anyways, so yeah, this week we got to this music's really loud. Can I turn it down while I'm talking?
Yes, we're doing I'll turn it back up when I get done. Yeah, these are going nice.
Oh, and Laura did some Charlie Brown cookies. We'll show the after. We're just trying to add some stuff to the video.
So what else am I needing to do? Because you don't want me to do any more of these. The white on there?
The green. You fill it in with green.
Oh, yeah. Fill it.
But let it sit. Let it sit a little bit. Anyways,
Do you want to do...
were we doing Coke ones? No. Okay. Anyways, so I'll show Laura mixing because that's already done. Oh, here's Katie May. Anyways, so this week we got to
What's going on? You want to see? Huh? I want to see. I know it, darling.
do you have white in a piping bag?
I love you too.
Okay, give me that. Did you cut it already?
I love so much.
Let Mommy do this. Anyways, so I'll just show the table that's a mess. This week we had to bring in clients to my school. And so, my mom came. How did you enjoy your experience at my school?
I loved it. It was very relaxing. I had my nails done. I had my lip and my chin waxed by Linda.
And paraffin
And I
wax.
had my hands waxed.
Manicure. Not literally like taking the hair off her hands, but like
Making
paraffin
it
wax.
softer. No, it didn't make it look younger, but it made it feel softer. Very relaxing. I can't wait for my next return visit.
10 out of what? Out of 10, how would you recommend?
How would I recommend?
How would you recommend me out of 10? Like 10 out of 10? Recommend
Oh, a 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. See you in
course,
2
my
weeks.
daughter.
I'm just kidding. The nail polish lasts for 2 weeks. That's why I said see you in 2 weeks. I'm just like show my hands while I talk in front of you. Laura, how would you rate? How was your experience?
It was fun. I was nervous. It was fun. I went 2 days. I went on Monday to get my nails done, as you saw from my vlog. And I got my hair done.
We did a
Yes, it is Friday, and my hair.
we did a purple shampoo and conditioner, and then we did flat iron curls.
Yes, and they have stayed in my hair for a whole week.
And we did another manicure.
Yes, and then I
We
went
did
back
2
on Thursday with Mommy, and I got my nails redone.
With
They were
shellac.
supposed to be Christmassy, but
So shellac lasts for 14 days. They're like gels. They're like the
It's
exact
okay
same.
because I can do it in the white.
Also, where's the white piping so Mommy can do this so I can do something?
Can I do it my way?
I mean,
You can do it your
I
way.
do it green, but
You can do it however your way you want. What?
well, not with this because this is liquid. So you see that.
You just want your dots?
You could fill it in with green and do Christmas lights.
It's gonna do away with my little ruffles. I don't know if you're gonna have enough green.
Anyways,
Probably not.
oh, that's fun.
Because what are you gonna put on the round cookies? What are you doing those with?
White.
White and black?
With sprinkles.
Red, white. These
Anyways,
ones.
I don't have anything to show, so I'm just kind of moving the camera around when I talk.
Oh, always.
I'll show Mommy making these.
You
Anyways,
can always make
so
more, but you have to
also,
rinse it out.
besides my mom
Well, if it's
and
not
Laura
so bad.
coming, my friend Kaylee, oh, don't get it over the lot. I'm just kidding.
You just have to do a little bit, like, yeah, like, try not to go over the line.
I decorated my own wedding cake. Thank you, girl.
But these are different.
Anyways, so besides Mama,
Yes, I did.
besides
I said these are different than cake.
besides Laura and
See, it does away with the thing.
yeah, because you did it over the line.
You can't keep the line.
Anyways, besides Laura and Mama coming to my lovely classroom, my friend Kaylee also came, and I did my first bob. Well, it was more like a log, like a long bob.
Insert
There's a-
picture here.
Insert picture here. Anyways, so it turned out really good. It's an angled lob, so it's a long bob, and if you notice with the side picture that I did, it kind of goes longer in the front. And my teacher did help me a lot because I've never done one before. And when my friend was coming in, I thought she wanted to show the crosshair cut, but she wanted a lob. So my teacher helped me, and yeah, it turned out really good. Very excited.
I can't wait to see her in person and see it.
Yeah, it turned out really good. I liked it.
In 2 days.
In 2 days we'll see her. So yeah.
Okay, so I have an idea of my own. Do we have a white?
Maybe if I remember, I will get her. Gotta let it dry first.
This isn't cut.
It is.
It is.
Let that dry first,
Yeah, I did.
or it's just gonna run together.
Yeah. So you have to let them dry. They dry and touch.
What did you just do on camera? I'm looking over you. So yeah, maybe if I remember, I will show on Sunday her hair and her recommendation too. Cause Sunday we're going out to eat.
Is this good?
Yes.
Or a little bit more water?
Okay. I don't think I'm missing anything. Do you want to talk about our videos coming up?
Videos coming up. We are going to be having
Christmas
sorry.
tomorrow.
We're having Christmas tomorrow, so hopefully in between Christmas and we're going to a Night of Wonder kind of show thing, which we'll see.
We'll show
In
some of
between
that.
that, maybe I can get the part 1 of Christmas shopping done, and then so that will hopefully be tomorrow, and then Sunday will be part 2, and we might have more than 25 Vlogmas videos, but that's okay, right?
Totally.
So yeah.
Good. Thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a video.